Hi there, this is Ranjit and I have the Samsung Galaxy C7 Pro with me, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and have a first look. And I feel the C7 Pro might be a better product than the Samsung Galaxy A7 2017 edition, which I unboxed a few days ago, because the A7 2017 edition has just 3 gigabytes of RAM and it's priced a lot more than this C7 Pro. Yes, the C7 Pro does not have Samsung Pay. This one has Samsung Pay, but overall I feel this one is providing much better value. This comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM, 5.7 inch Super AMOLED screen. And regarding the pricing, the price quoted on the box is 29,900, but this product is actually sold in India via Amazon India for 27,990. That's almost 28,000. So let me just open up this seal and let's have a closer look. So let's open this up, and we have the handset itself. This is in gold color, but the front, as you can see, is white. We'll come back to the handset a bit later. And let's quickly see what else do we have. We'll get some paperwork in this. So just this quick start guide, the SIM ejector too, and again, as you can see, it's in Hindi also, and with SAR information. Let's look at the SAR rating. It says that the head SAR is 1.01 for this device. So let me keep these things to the side. Let's see what else do we get in the box. So moving forward, we have a USB type C cable with this one. So Samsung is now just moving to USB type C on most of its product, and we also have a USB type C to normal micro USB adapter. We also get the bundled earphones with the plus or minus button and a button to take or end calls. Let's look at the charger and see if this is a fast charger. Yes, it's a fast charger because output is 9 volts at 1.67 amps. So fast charger is also bundled. So this is the handset itself. Let's take out this plastic cover, and this one is also having a 5.7 inch screen. The C9 Pro, which is its older brother, is having a 6-inch screen. This is powered by this new Snapdragon 626 chipset. And as you can see, typical Samsung layout that we are seeing, and the back is metallic aluminum that we are getting. And the good thing is that internal storage is 64 gigabytes on this device, so that's a nice thing. So as you can see, this one, the A7 has that glass back, as you can see. And let me actually give you a physical overview now. On the top, we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone, and nothing. We have the power on off button, and this is a SIM tray. Let's open it up and see. It's pretty wide. Let's see if it has a dedicated so we are getting a hybrid solution, guys, as you can see. So you can put 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM or a micro SD card. So that's what you're getting. So hybrid solution on this one. Bottom we have the opening for the speaker, a USB type C, main microphone, and 3.5mm headphone jack. And here again the volume rockers. So the camera is a 16 megapixel shooter. Both the rear and the front are the same, and this also has a fingerprint scanner. So let's just power it on, and it gave me haptic feedback. And by the time it boots up and I set it up, let me give you a configuration overview. This Galaxy C7 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 626 chipset, which is a quad-core processor clocked at 2.2 GHz. It has the Adreno 506 GPU. It has a 5.7-inch Super AMOLED screen. It comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. It has a 16 megapixel rear-facing camera with f1.9 lens, and even the front-facing camera is a 16 megapixel shooter. It has fingerprint scanner, and the battery is a 3300 milliamp hour battery. So I've just finished setting up this device, and this is the first boot for the same, and a weird wallpaper that we are getting. And again, as you can see, it has all those quick toggles. And surprisingly, this device does have NFC, but this one does not support Samsung Pay. Looks like MST is not there on this device. So the Galaxy A7 and A5 have Samsung Pay, but this one does not, though it has NFC. And it has the auto brightness sensor and stuff. Let's look at the Android version that you're going to get with this. And if we go to about the device and software info, as you can see, this one is still running on the Android version 6.0.1, so that's sad. Samsung should have given the Android Nougat, but that should come. And as you can see, if you hit the back button, they do light up. Let's look at the storage. Out of that 64 gigabytes, how much do we get? If we go to the storage tab, it's going to tell us. And out of that 64 gigabytes, you get 51.5 gigabytes of space available. And again, you can use a micro SD card if you don't use the second SIM with this one. So that is regarding the general stuff. And let's see what are the apps that are preloaded. Not a lot of bloatware. We do have Opera Max, and we also have this USB backup option. And again, Samsung specific apps including S Health. And let's see what else. Again, Microsoft apps are also pre-installed. So not a lot of bloatware apart from this Opera Max, and it does have FM radio support. So that is another thing that you need to note. And let's quickly, actually the back is metallic. Let me actually try to use the fingerprint. Again, I have already set up the fingerprint, and as you can see, this one is also having an active fingerprint scanner. That means, yes, this is a button and you can press, and as you can see, it unlocks. But if you just place also your finger on it, as you see, it's unlocking. And as of now, as you can see, the fingerprint seems to be very responsive. The moment you tap, it's unlocking. Let me just press it and just leave it. Yes. So as of now, the fingerprint sensor seems to be also very responsive. Let's quickly just have a quick look at the camera on this one. It's a 16 megapixel rear facing camera that we are having, and we can swipe to get to the camera modes, and again we can swipe for switching your cameras and stuff. So like this. So these are the modes that are offered. So Pro mode is also there. And if we go over here, we have the filters. Let's just get out and let's just take some snaps in this default mode. And the shutter speed was fast. So here are some of the sample shots that I've taken with this Galaxy C7 Pro. Again, I'll have to test the camera a lot more. So guys, that's it for now for this quick unboxing and first look at the Samsung Galaxy C7 Pro. If you have any other specific questions around this device, do post your questions in the YouTube comment section below, and I'll try to include them in my review. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video.